Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, it's not scripted. I'm just going to be teaching you live, and like I said, not scripted at all. So I'm just going to go over what I would do to try to make my first 1,000 with affiliate marketing as quickly as possible. Now, there's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, as you know. There's a lot of different methods that you could use to make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. You could use social media. You could use Instagram. You could use Facebook groups. You could use YouTube. You could use TikTok. You can use Google advertising. There's so many different ways. But right now, with my experience of affiliate marketing, what would I do if I needed to make $1,000 very quickly and I was a new internet marketer or affiliate marketer? This is exactly what I would do. So stay tuned. This is going to be a tutorial based video. And like I said, it's not scripted. So, I'm kind of going to have to go with the flow on what I have an idea of what I want to show you. And it's going to be kind of a case study because I'm going to show you how quickly you can actually make money online. So let's jump in real quick. So I'm right here, and I'm going to go over to a site called MunchEye. And I've showed you this site before, but it's important for you to understand why we would use this. Now, there's other kinds of, you could come over to Google and type in JV launch calendar, something like that, right? Other types of JV, here's a JV promote right here, and you can see MunchEye shows up number 2. It's just the preferred one that I use, and most people do in this industry. There's JV News Watch. We can open that one up as well. There's a Pinterest forum right there, and you can also go to Warrior Forum. So let's go look at these other sites. So there are other sites right here, but it just doesn't give you like immediate access to what you want to look at, right? So you've got to come in here, and I'm just kind of looking through this. You're gonna have to go to all launches. You can submit a launch over here, and it's going to come out with like what's going. So like June 7th. So I'm just not really seeing. You're going to have to scroll down, and what is it? August 18th. So we're going to have to come through here and look if anything. So it just doesn't look like there's a whole bunch right here. Now these might be different offers. So we could actually come and see if, let's see, August 9th, motion leads was motion leads on MunchEye. So I'm going to come over here and let's go right over here. I just want to kind of test this out. Motion leads on August 9th. We can scroll down through here, and actually what we can do is just go motion leads MunchEye, and I just want to see if this was actually so it wasn't on here. So you will get some different products, which is good, right? So go ahead and you can check out this site over here, but it's definitely not going to have as many products that are going to be hitting the market that day, right? And then you have this JV News Watch, and look at the site here. It just is, it's not organized very well. It's very hard to find what you're looking for here, and it's just not appealing. So that's why I don't recommend using those sites. I actually just prefer using MunchEye. It's kind of an industry standard, and look, you can see that the site is just well organized, and it's really, really good. So you want to get your name on over here if you're launching a product, but what we want to do as an affiliate marketer, come through here and actually look if there's something over here that would be something that your audience would be interested in, right? And so, for example, there's like a Fiverr Fast Cash. And what I like to do is I like to do a little dissection to make sure, and I kind of vet the product first. So we're at a $7 price point here, 50% commissions. I'm only going to make about $3.50 if I make a sale on that. And so then you would want to click on a link over here and actually just go over to the affiliate page. Now they've made 10 sales today. It's not really, the pulse score is low. It's got a 1% conversion rate, so it's just not that good. I would go over and look at the sales page, and that it just does not look good at all. The sales page right here, this is why they're not making any sales. This is like, I'm sorry, just going to critique this right now. This is one of the ugliest sales pages I've ever seen. There's no organization. It's just like this. It's just a blob on top of here. And I don't know why it now says $19. So there's a $19 price point right here, but then over here it's saying that there should have been a $7 price point. They changed the price up to 19. I'm not really sure what they're doing. So I would just move on and back out of that, right? And then one other thing I'll do is I will check on the vendor. They've made 38 sales. They don't even have a picture for their vendor. So I'll just kind of skip through and see that they haven't made more than 10 sales on a product. So, and they don't even have a rating. So that's just not a good vendor. So you want to vet out your vendors. Make sure that you're selling good products. So we're going to just back right out into MunchEye and find a different product. So we would come through here. So there is one that was released today I want to check out. And this one actually was pretty interesting. I was checking it out yesterday. And it looks like they have had a lot of successful launches where they've sold hundreds of products. Looks like here's the JV page. So you can see a lot of effort. I saw some of there. It's two ladies that are selling this product. They've got a good sales page and they put a lot of effort into the JV page and all that. So we're going to go over and let's see, we want to get our link. So get link, it's going to take you over to Warrior Plus. So this is what you want to do. This is how you're going to make money because you want to promote good products. So right here, you can see as a vendor, they're a top 10% vendor. So they create good products, steady products, and they have had one featured product. It's a good price point. They've already sold 50 of these and they have a whopping 37% conversion. This is crazy. I'm thinking about actually checking out the page and maybe even picking it up because it is valuable. They're giving you 80 bonuses that you can rebrand and resell and give away for your product launches. Really, really cool stuff. And so they've got a really high pull score and a 37% conversion rate. So all you would do is just request for approval right here, right? So there is another thing that you can do too. So if you come back over to MunchEye, I like to do software reviews and promote as an affiliate software releases. So like right here, high quality video creation. You've got Max Drive. So Course Empire. There's a big one coming out soon that I already got. I've already got approved to be an affiliate, and I probably will be going all in on this one because it looks really good. This Neil Napier has only created a few products and he's done hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales from just a few products. So he releases really good quality products. And this is on JV Zoo, right? So you would just click on this and you know that you can vet this out. You know, we're going to go to, he does a good video here and a really good JV launch page. That looks good. And then we can go over to Get Link. And once we go over to Get Link, this is what it's going to look like when you are approved for a product. I've already got approved. I woke up this morning and it was approved. So I can actually go to Get Links and it's going to give me my affiliate link right here, right? 50% on it. And it's selling for $47. So you would just take 47 divided by 2 and I'll make $23.50 for each sale. And there is a bunch of different upsells. And so it's a really good launch and there's more of a perceived value on software. Now what this will allow people to do is actually build and launch courses and take payments from Stripe and PayPal. And it's just a really, really good way to make money online as well. So you can go check out the sales page and all that. So now what you do is you're going to put up a review video. You're going to go and check out the sales page. So I'll open that up in a new link. You'll try to get access. I did send Neil a message on Facebook seeing if I can get access. A lot of times for these big software products, they're just, even for affiliates, they're not going to give review access. So I'll probably have to wait and actually purchase the product and then I'll do a review that morning. That's something that I like to do. And, you know, there might be other people that get access and they already have their videos up. But that hasn't impacted my sales before because you get a little bit of a bump when you release a review video anyways. And then I kind of put some of my secret ranking sauce on there and I can usually get ranked up there in the top 3 for any launch I want to do. And then you want to put together a really good custom bonus package and then you can make a lot of money from these. And so, you know, of all the different ways that you can make money, this is going to be the fastest way to that $1,000 that I'm talking about because you are not having to, if you're going to build up an audience, you don't have to have an audience. That's the biggest point. You don't have to have a large audience in order to make this work. It's kind of like called launch hacking. So because you are basically going out and there's a lot of buildup for this launch, and it's going to last for about a week or less. And you're going to get in on this launch, right? And use the momentum from the launch. And there's going to be a lot of people out there with large email lists that they're going to be emailing out to their list to go and pick up Coursium. Now, what people will do, because people are smart, they're going to go and they want to look at some more reviews and do some investigation. And sometimes they're just going to go out bonus hunting and see if they're going to buy the product from someone, and they want to see who's offering bonuses that look the most intriguing for them and that have the most value. And then they're just going to go ahead and make the purchase. And so you have a chance to get in on that. And so right here, you check out the sales page and you can do a quick review of that. At a bare minimum, you can use the review video right here that they have. Like, see, he's doing a demo, and you can actually use this, and you could even take off him talking and then add your own voice, which would just make it a little bit more custom. So there's a lot of things that you can do to put out a solid review without actually having the product in hand. But you don't just want to talk over the sales page for 5 minutes and then tell people to buy from you. That's just not the best way to go. You want to at least really have a good idea of what the product is offering and if it's a good product or not. Okay. So then once you do that, let's go back over to JV Zoo. I'm going to actually show you some of my stats. So I just went in and it's showing that I have an outstanding commissions of 203 that I need to be paid out. And last month, so that would be the month of July, I only did one promotion, and let's see, Tube Serp, I had 72 clicks, 42 visitors, 20 sales. I had a 47% conversion rate. Is that even like possible? Wow. 47% conversion rate on the front end product. I had a $9 per visitor value, estimated cost per click value, and average $20 sale. So $400 on just the front end product. And then we sold the keyword analysis module. I sold another $100 for that. And then there was a video tracking module for $30. And you can see there's a couple other products like Big Audio Club. That is a video that I put out months and months ago, or even I'm not even sure if I did a video. It might have just been an email, and somehow I made a sale on that as well, but it was from months before. So really, almost $600, and it was one promotion. You can see Tube Serp 400, and it was one video that I had ranking, and it was only ranking number 2, right? So I made $600 from that one review. Imagine if you did 2 back to back. That's $1,200. That's how you could make, realistically, you could make $1,000 in a couple of days, even as a new reviewer of products. So that is what I would do to get to that $1,000 mark very quickly. Like I said, there is a lot of other things that you can do, but this strategy with launch hacking or launch jacking is you're just riding the momentum of a release of a product, and you can get in on the fun and get in on making some money. So I hope that you found this valuable. I had a comment from somebody that was just saying, hey, I'm tired of tutorials, or I don't really know what they were saying, but if this isn't teaching you exactly what to do, then I don't know what else I can show you, because I just showed you exactly how to go out and do research of a product, I even showed you that I'm doing it myself. I actually got approved for a product that's coming out in 3 days that I'm going to go ahead and jump in on. And then I showed you what I did last month for one of them and how I made $600 doing it. And I'm showing you every step along the way. Of course, I'm not going to put it all into one video. Watch the other video that I created that shows you how to build out of a bonus page. You can use the link below that will have my funnel builder software that you can build your bonus pages out on that very easily, and they'll look more professional than anybody else's. Now, I will come out with a video specifically for how to build bonus pages that have to do with this method right here. But, I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing to make thousands of dollars a month. This is how you do it right here. And so I hope that you can see that this is not just this is not just theory. This is actual, real methods of making money. And I show you the proof right here. I made $600 from one video that and I got the product from Munchai, and I got approved for the affiliate link. I put together a couple bonuses and I ranked my video at the top, and then I made $600. So that is how you do it. So if you want more content like this, I'm talking about all about affiliate marketing on this channel, Teach Me Money Methods. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. Till next time, take care.